Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to join Brevo affiliate program, Brevo affiliate tutorial. So onto this tutorial, we're gonna guide you onto the step-by-step process of joining the Brevo affiliate program. So if you're not familiar with this platform, so this is their website, which is Brevo, formerly known as Sendinblue, is a SaaS platform designed for relationship marketing, offering a range of marketing communication tools. So as you can see, there are four ways to work smarter, not harder into Brevo. We have the marketing platform, sales platform, conversations platform, and the messaging API. So they have a lot of tools in here that they could offer, and there are a lot of users as well who has been using this, and it has been awarded already. So as you can see in here, Brevo gives them the functionality and flexibility that they need to manage the marketing engagement as well as the sales pipeline while saving the 30,000 annually compared to HubSpot. So let's try to view their pricing in here. So we've mentioned the four ways already earlier. So you could actually use Brevo for free in here with unlimited contacts. We also have the starter at $25 per month, business starting at $65 per month, and the Brevo Plus with a custom price. So you need to talk to sales for that. And if you scroll down further, you should be able to see the different things that are included or the different features that are included onto each pricing. So going back in here, now, so you can see Brevo also connects to the tools that you already use. So they run alongside more than 150 leading tools from CRM to CMS, e-commerce, and many more. So these are the different integration or tools that you could integrate using Brevo. So if you're interested in earning money through their affiliate marketing, especially the email marketing niche, so Brevo is really a great choice. So before we dive into the process in here, so whether you're new to Brevo or considering their services, you could actually sign up for free in there or explore their various plans to find the one that suits your needs. So, however, our main focus today is on earning money through their Brevo affiliate program. So to join that, let's head onto the other website in here, or you could search this onto your local browser, the affiliate program link. So here you'll find the important information about the program, and note that some of the details may be outdated, so pay attention to the key information. The eligibility criteria included being a blogger, publisher, influencer, or content creator with a website. So make sure your application includes your website's primary URL. So this is what it looks like. Become a Brevo affiliate partner. So before we sign up onto the affiliate program, so let's dive in first onto the benefits of being an affiliate. So you could actually have an attractive commission. So every time a referred user creates a free account on Brevo, you get something for that. So if that user buys a recurring subscription, then you'll receive an additional 100 in that. And then we also have your brand leader in high conversion rates. So for this one, thanks to its rich features, user friendliness, and competitive prices, Brevo has quickly become a leading marketing platform. Also, we have here reliable real-time tracking. So we use PartnerStack, one of the most reliable tracking solution that lets you monitor your commissions in real time. So cookie duration is 90 days for that. And quick payments, which is get paid monthly for signing up new customers. So payments are processed through PayPal or bank transfer for that one. So how does this work? So you'll just need to introduce someone to Brevo, and then you earn for that one every sign up that was referred by you. So you could actually make an extra as well if they subscribe to a paid plan. So let's go ahead and click on to become an affiliate to proceed. So as you can see in here, the application process involves filling out essential information like your name, your website in here, and also your work email. So Brevo has specific requirements including rejection of application without a listed primary URL or new websites without traffic. So they also prefer applications from individuals who own or work for the company. So you'll just need to fill out your first name, last name, the company name, your company website, your work email, and then your country for that one. Also remember that they don't accept multi-level marketing or certain schemes. Your application will be reviewed and integrity is crucial, so avoid using misleading practices, and once submitted, your account will be under review and you'll be notified through the provided email address. So right after filling all of those details, then remember your account is placed under review automatically. So as you can see in here, email addresses from non-professional providers such as Google or Hotmail will be automatically rejected. So you need to make sure that you use your business email address for that, and you'll just have to wait for an email right after it is already reviewed. Now, to be sure that your request to be approved or your affiliate partner program application is approved, here are some of the requirements that you need to take a note of. So, these are the rules in place to ensure that the Brevo approval process is streamlined. So, this is not an exhaustive list. So, they reserve the right to evaluate each application individually for approval. So, for the first one, application in here will not be accepted without the primary URL listed or new websites without traffic. Also, submissions must come from individuals who own or work for the company. So they don't accept multi level marketing or pyramid schemes, and self help or get rich courses are not allowed for this one. So you need to take a note of this one so that once you have already met all of the requirements, then you don't need to worry since your application will surely be processed. Now, right after you have been approved, then you're set already to send your link or to let other people use your link so that you could sign up or they could sign up through Brevo as well. So, for you to be able to gain some users or to have someone be interested in Brevo, here are some things that you could tell them so that they would choose a Brevo as well. So, here are some key points why to choose a Brevo. So you could tell them that Brevo is the most approachable CRM for growing business chooses Brevo as to their ease of use, high value, marketing and sales toolbox for cultivating a lasting customer relationship. So you could tell them as well that it is the leader in CRM and marketing software and what sets Brevo apart. So as we mentioned, ease of use, you don't have to work in IT or even be tech savvy to use the product. They offer a user friendly interface, detailed reports, drag and drop editors that everyone can use. Also, it is a great value where unique and flexible pricing model is designed to allow any type of businesses to access high-end digital solutions and to support them as they grow, pay by usage, not by number or contacts, and also a superb customer service. Our unparalleled customer care is provided in 6 languages across web, social, and email. So phone support is also available on business and enterprise plan. So there are also client success stories onto their website in here that you could read or you could share to them so that they could see how Brevo works as well. So more reasons to choose Brevo: data security, built for enterprise, developer friendly, and it has over 500,000 customers worldwide. So you could actually send your link to anyone through social media platforms, their messenger, you could email it to them. You could use Facebook or any social media sites to share Brevo to your friends or families or just someone you know. And that's just basically it on to Brevo affiliate program or earning money or to join Brevo affiliate program. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.